Hey guys, Sprite here from Conde Systems, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install your ink and your paper in your new Sawgrass SG1000 or SG500 printer. So the first thing I'm going to do is install some paper in my SG1000 printer. To load the paper, we're just going to open the tray, and then I'm going to adjust the tray for my paper size. So I'm using 11 by 17 DyeTrans SPP paper. So I need to actually extend the tray by popping out these tabs, extending it to its fullest width, locking it back down, and then placing my paper in. When you're using the SPP paper, make sure you always put the bright white side face down. So now that the paper's in, I just close the tray and close the dust cover. So now that my paper is installed, I'm ready for my inks. So the inks go right here where your ink binder plate is, and also your waste tank is right here as well. So let's get these out of the package and get them into their slot. Each ink has its own color-coded slot, so be sure you put the right ink in the right place. Once all 4 inks are in, just close the lid, and now it's time to connect the power. So I've got my paper in, I've got my ink in. Now all I need to do is connect it to a power source and turn it on. So once that happens, so now it'll do an initial ink fill. It should take about 7 minutes. So I'll see you when it's done. So now my ink is loaded and I'm ready to do a nozzle check. To do your first nozzle check, you're just going to hit Menu, go down to Printer Features, hit OK under List Test Print, and then scroll down until you see nozzle check pattern. This is also where you can do your head cleaning and your head flushing. So I'm just going to hit OK, hit print, everything looks great. So now that your printer's full of ink and paper, our next step is to hook it up to the computer and install the software. So look out for that next video. This is Sprite with Conde Systems. Happy sublimating.